Hello, we're back in the US. Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean me, Nicholas, and his mom. If you followed us long enough, you know that we tried to go from Montreal to Key West about 2 years ago, and Irma decided otherwise. So we've just arrived in Charlotte, near Charlotte.
Lake Norman.
Lake Norman. And it's pouring rain, as you can probably tell with the noise. So this year we're back to try and dive in the Keys. We arrived in the US 2 days ago, and we're gonna spend about a week in Orlando, and then we're gonna drive to Miami, and then go down to the Keys to dive, drive back up, and enjoy 2 or 3 days left. So it's a 2-week trip. It's gonna be very quick because we need to be back in France to work, to have more money, to travel more. So the next week's videos are gonna be about this trip. I don't know how frequent these are gonna be. I'm just gonna vlog the interesting bits. But we've planned to go kayaking to Disney Epcot Park to see the new Star Wars park as well. Devil's Den, that we're gonna dive again, and then we're gonna go diving in Marathon and Key Largo. Is that right, Nicholas? Key Largo. Are you excited?
I'm hurt.
Yeah, Nicholas hurt his feet yesterday, so he's on the bed. And if you see a nice picture of us toward these vlogs, it's because we're with his mom that has a very nice camera, a G7X. But I will mainly be vlogging on my GoPro because we travel light and didn't want to bring the big camera, so that will do. See you in the next weeks for more vlogs and adventures. Bye! We're back in the US! Yay! Can you say yay with me?
Sorry,
Yeah. Hello!
I'm rusty.